What's up everyone? We are going to talk about how to grow your Instagram in 2019 and why content is king. It's super important going forward into 2019 in order to grow your Instagram account. So stay with me here, it's going to be a good one. One thing that's hypercritical about 2019 and growing your Instagram account is content. Quality content, consistent content, and a generally nice feed or grid. Your overall profile should have a nice flow to it. And there's a few different ways you can go about doing this. I'm going to give you some examples in this video, but I actually want to show you an app I've started using that can help with that, and it's called apphi. And it basically is a content scheduler and grid planner for Instagram. You can actually decide how you want to structure your posts and plan them out far in advance, which is something that I think is really important if you want to grow your Instagram account in 2019. Scrambling last minute for content and posting it at random times, it's a thing of the past. It's not going to work in 2019. What you need to do this year and going forward with your Instagram account in order to grow is plan out your content, have strong call to actions, have a nice flowing grid, which is your just profile basically, and all your posts on your feed. Integrate multiple different styles of posts, which you can see an example on my personal Instagram page, or you can kind of just veer off and go one direction, not the band, but go in one direction and follow a certain style for all of your posts. And I'm showing you some examples here on the screen of different approaches you can use. And personally, for my personal brand page, I like to have different style of posts, and I mix it up every third, fourth, fifth post in order to just have a bit more diversity. However, if you really want to grow fast on Instagram, it is recommended that you keep some consistency across all of your posts, and that's where apps like apphi can really help plan out your grid. And I'm just going to show you an example here again, Boulder Mastiff. It's an account that I've started managing in late 2018, and it is an Amazon store, an outdoor store. And basically, from what you can gather in this grid, it has some consistency in terms of the overall style and format. So you can see for every second post, I'm using a text top and bottom format with the Boulder Mastiff logo, which is basically strong call to action text above and below the photo. There's actually been some studies done by various marketing agencies that show the reach of the post and people actually willing to click on that post from the Explore feed when they're actually searching for stuff. Your posts that have this text up and top and bottom, this format, are typically going to perform a little bit better than posts that don't have it. So I'm going to give you some other examples here of various styles of text top and bottom and side by side. But generally you want to kind of pick the style you're going to use and then stay with it consistently throughout your feed. So in this Boulder Mastiff example, you can see I do text top and bottom, and then I'll do another just general post, and then I'll go text top and bottom again. And I'll even do this with videos as well. And something that I even suggest a lot of people try doing is repost already viral content. And you can do this simply by hitting your search button, go to the Explore feed, go to the top posts, and obviously you're doing this for the hashtag that's relating to your account and your niche, but you're going to find the top posts there, and if you want to really play it safe or be nice about it, you can message those people or comment on those posts and ask if you could repost on your account. Otherwise, in a lot of cases, those people don't really mind. Just make sure you credit those people, and I'm sure they'll be more than happy to share that content on your page as well. Now, you don't have to keep those reposts on your page permanently, but what you can do is just benefit from the fact that Instagram obviously likes this content for one particular reason, and they're going to rank your post, which is a repost of someone else, and in doing so, you're going to drive more traffic to your post, more traffic to your profile, you're going to gain more followers and more exposure. Now, again, you don't have to keep this post on your feed all the time. You can actually archive it after about, I would say, 72 hours, 3 days, upwards to a week. Archive that post so that you don't have a profile full of reposts, because that's not very fun, that's not very unique, and that's not very branded specifically to what you're doing. So it's just one approach I suggest you try, but generally speaking, you want to do a lot of research from your competitors and following various hashtags that are relating to your niche, and then do research on those hashtags as well, see what posts are performing best, and then mimic what those individuals are doing. Because a lot of times it's very easy to understand what produces virality or what creates virality in your content simply by going and doing competitor research, simply by going and seeing what else people are posting that Instagram particularly likes and is ranking, And that's going to be one of the best approaches in terms of driving traffic to your page. And actually, this doesn't cost you anything. It just takes a bit of a time for doing the research and making that effort to repost or reach out to people and request if you can repost. But in this video, I did want to show you that apphi app. And again, it's a really great app that allows you to schedule your content and schedule your grid as I demonstrated in this video. And if you want to use apphi, you can use the coupon code down below in the description. It's going to give you a discount. And if you do decide to sign up for the paid, the premium membership, you're going to get a lot of benefits from that as well. So I hope this video was informative to you. I hope you try apphi, and I hope your content and your grid look amazing going forward in 2019, and your Instagram account blows up, and you grow on Instagram and have the most success possible. So thank you for watching this video. As always, hit it with a like if you found it informative, share it with your friend, add it to your favorites, and I will catch you again in that next one. Take care.